Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the FXTM Trader App. We'll start by getting you set up, whether you're new or returning. The app is designed for ease of use, so navigating its features will feel natural. You'll quickly discover how to access your trading tools and manage your account efficiently. This guide covers everything from initial setup to advanced trading strategies, ensuring you get the most out from the platform. Once logged in, the main dashboard provides a clear snapshot of your trading activity. You can easily switch between your various trading accounts and manage funds with simple taps. Depositing and withdrawing money is streamlined for your convenience. Don't forget to check your personal settings to tailor the app to your preferences, ensuring a personalized and efficient trading environment every time you log in. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: after a long day of trading, sometimes your car needs a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's dive into placing trades. The app makes it straightforward to execute buy and sell orders across a wide range of instruments. You'll find powerful charting tools and technical indicators to help you analyze market trends in real time. Crucially, remember to set your stop loss and take profit levels. These essential risk management tools protect your capital and lock in profits, giving you greater control over your trading outcomes. Beyond basic trading, the FXTM app offers advanced features like copy trading, allowing you to mirror successful strategies. You can also access a wealth of educational materials right within the app, helping you continuously improve your trading skills. Should you ever need assistance, customer support is readily available. Their team is there to help with any questions or issues, ensuring a smooth and supported trading journey for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.